Let me start with a question. What if you could use multiple AI models like OpenAI, Gemini, Claude, and more, all through a single, unified API?
Exactly. That's what CLIProxyAPI is designed to do. It acts as a bridge, letting developers interact with different AI models as if they were using a single, OpenAI-compatible API.
So who is this for? Who would benefit from having access to multiple models through one API?
This is ideal for developers who want to leverage the strengths of different models without dealing with the complexity of each one's individual API. It's also great for those who need to switch models quickly or want to compare their outputs.
What was hard before that this makes easier?
Before this, developers had to manage different API keys, endpoints, and request formats for each model. This made it difficult to switch models or compare their performance. CLI Proxy API abstracts all that complexity away.
How does it work conceptually? What are the main components?
At a high level, CLI Proxy API acts as a reverse proxy. It accepts requests in a standard OpenAI-compatible format, routes them to the appropriate model, and returns the response in the same format. This means developers can use their existing tools and code without any changes.
What are two genuinely interesting technical features of this repository?
One is the support for multiple authentication methods, including OAuth, API keys, and even custom providers. This makes it flexible for different use cases and integration scenarios. Another is the ability to run the proxy server in a containerized environment, making it easy to deploy and scale using Docker.
You mentioned containers. How does the Docker support work here?
The repository includes a Docker file and Docker compose.iml, which allows users to build and run the proxy server in a containerized environment. This makes it easy to deploy the proxy server on any system that supports Docker, ensuring consistency across development, testing, and production environments.
What about performance and scalability? How is the proxy server optimized?
The proxy server is built using Go, which is known for its high performance and concurrency capabilities. This allows the proxy to handle a large number of concurrent requests efficiently. Additionally, the configuration options in the YAML file allow for fine-tuning of performance parameters like TLS settings, logging, and concurrency limits.
What are some of the limitations or caveats of this project?
One limitation is that the proxy server is designed to be a lightweight solution and may not support all the advanced features of the individual models. Additionally, there may be rate limits or usage restrictions imposed by the underlying AI model providers, which the proxy server cannot control.
How does the proxy server handle different model providers like Google's Gemini, OpenAI's GPT, and Anthropic's Claude?
The proxy server is designed to be provider agnostic. It uses a common interface to interact with each model, allowing it to seamlessly switch between different providers. This is achieved through modular code that can be extended to support new models as they become available.
What about security? How does the proxy server ensure the safety of user data and API keys?
The proxy server includes several security features, such as the ability to restrict access to localhost, use TLS for encrypted communication, and manage API keys securely. Additionally, the management API requires a secret key to prevent unauthorized access.
What about documentation and ease of use? Is there good support for users?
Yes, the repository includes detailed documentation, examples, and even a desktop client for easier configuration and use. This makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced developers.
What makes this project stand out compared to other similar tools?
CLI Proxy API stands out by offering a unified interface for multiple AI models, supporting a wide range of models, and being easy to deploy and manage. It also provides a flexible configuration system and strong security features.
Who should actually care about this repository?
Anyone who wants to use multiple AI models through a single, unified API with minimal setup and maximum flexibility.